What's your name? Kang. How are you today? And you. Very good. Kang, how old are you? I'm 3. Okay, Kang. Today we're going to talk about toys and colors. Okay? Kang, are you ready? Okay, Kang, what's this? Dog. Very good. Kang, what's this? Car. Job. What's this? Ball. Very good. What's this? City. Very good. Okay, Kang. Yes, it is. Good job. Okay, Kang. Is this a ball? Yes, it is. Is this a teddy? No, it isn't. Very good. Kang, is this a car? Yes, very good. Kang, is this a dog? No. Good job. Okay, Kang. What toys do you like? I like ball. Very good. Kang, what color is it? Blue. What color is it? What color is it? Red. What color is it? Yellow. Very good. Kang, what color do you like? I like green.